Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the 3D avatar that you created from CC5, the Character Creator 5, into the Unreal Engine 5.7 to just make it become any of the 3D avatar, make it become any of the game avatar of your Unreal Engine 5.7 game project on, and also you can make him any of the NPC in the game. I'm going to show you all this step by step, and from here in this tutorial I can make sure that no extra plugin required for your Character Creator 5 CC5 and your Unreal Engine 5.7. You can just follow my tutorial step by step to get this effect to turn any of the CC5 avatar into your game. And let's go. Alright, first I'm going to just start everything from beginning, the Character Creator 5, the CC5. And I'm going to just choose a character, the Urban King's Mixer. Right, if you not yet get the Urban King, you can just get from my video description. I already put the official link of the HD Urban King Mixer. Totally 5 avatars that you can get from the pack. Right, now it already finished loaded. Of course you can just edit it, or you can just create your fresh new 3D avatar from the CC5, the Character Creator 5. And once you're done already, then you need to export as FBX so that you can import into the Unreal Engine. But the export part line, I'm going to just show you the easiest way. Is export FBX clove, and from here you're supposed to choose the Unreal Engine 5, the UE5, but for me I will just choose the Blender because everything will just take it easy. Choose the Blender formats and send it to Unreal Engine. Everything will just make it easy, no other plugin required. Everything will just set up properly. I'm going to show you all this step by step. First, you have to take the InstaLOD and just make sure you merge the material, so that all of the material texture will just combine into just one material texture. And then just click here. Make sure that you merge the opacity to diffuse texture. This is very important. And then the mesh and motions, you have to choose the mesh only. We don't want other things. Then merge material. Finally, just click export, click OK. And as demo, I will just export it on my desktop and just create a fresh new folder. Name this as Avatar 01. And file name, I'm going to just name him as Avatar 01. Click Save. And now it is exporting as the FBX file. You need to just wait for a few more seconds. Right, now you can see the FBX is already at here, it already exported. Next, go to the Unreal Engine 5.7. I'm going to launch my Epic Game Launcher from here and launch the Unreal Engine 5.7.2 for today's the latest version. Click and launch it. The Unreal Editor is launching. Just wait for a few more seconds. As demo, I'm going to just create a fresh new game project. The third-person game project. The file name, I will just maintain it as my project 9 because this is just a demo. Third person. My project 9. Create. Now, the Unreal Engine 5.7 is creating a fresh new game project. You need to wait for another extra a few seconds. Now this is a fresh new game project, a third-person game project. The first step, what you need to do is just go to the window, content browser. Make sure you call out the content browser 1. And here, of course, you can just move it to other places, but as demo, I prefer to just drag it to the bottom and just make sure it is here. Then make sure it is at the content. So next step, I'm going to just import the Avatar 01. So it is here. So from the Unreal Engine 5.7, I'm going to create a new folder from here. Right click, new folder, name this as avatar01, enter. Go into the folder and drag and drop the avatar01 into here. Just wait for a few more seconds. It is going to just pop out a window here. Done. Then just click import. Just click import. It is importing. You need a few more seconds again until it finish, that you can see the skeleton mesh at here. Where is the skeleton mesh at here? So now you can see the skeleton mesh is here, and then for the material texture, it is not set up properly yet. I'm going to show you a few more steps to make sure all of this set up properly. So now you can see a material instance. This is not something that we want. We need to just create a new material. Then name this as avatar01 material. Alright, then just double click to open. Then drag it to here. You should be able to see in your content folder there is a texture. This is the texture. Drag the texture into here. Then next step, maximize this. Drag. Then click the empty area. Make sure the blend mode you choose mask. Drag the RGB to base color. The roughness, change it to 1. And then the alpha connect to opacity mask. Once you've done this step, click save, then close. Now open the skeleton mesh of your avatar01. From here, the material, you need to select the file name that you typed just now, the avatar01 underscore material. Just select it. Now you can see all of the material already automatic set up properly. Alright, click save. Now you already successfully transformed the CC5 avatar into the Unreal Engine 5. And next step, you may want to make this 3D avatar to become the game avatar. So now I'm going to close this first. Alright, if you open it again, you can check the skeleton. Just click and you can just go to an eye symbol at here. Click and show the bones, show all hierarchy. You can see the skeleton. And of course, sometimes you may just turn it off. Alright, save and close. Next up, I'm going to make avatar01 to become the game avatar, to become the main avatar in this game. What is the main avatar now? If you try to test play the game, you can see this SK mannequin is the main avatar of this game. I'm going to replace it to become the avatar01. You need to go through a few more steps back to the content folder here. Alright, in order to just make your avatar01 to become the game avatar, you can just get my freedom animation pipeline 9.1 for Unreal Engine 5.7. You can just go to my video description. I already put the link. It is going to lead you to my official site to get the freedom animation pipeline. Alright, once you already get it and once you already download it into your computer, then just double click to open. You need to copy the content, the freedom animation pipeline, to the project directory. So it is really easy. Copy to content. Which one to copy? This one. So you move your mouse cursor to here to the document. Just right click, open in a new window from here. And then next, just go to the Unreal project folder. Then go into your project directory, double click it, go into the content. Alright, no need, just stop at here. Then you just need to right click to copy the content. To here, just right click to paste. It will automatically override the folder of the Freedom Animation Pipeline. If you check your content folder, Freedom Animation Pipeline will automatically appear at here. At this moment, if you go back to your Unreal Engine 5.7 game project, you can see the Freedom Animation Pipeline already appear at here. Alright, so now I right click the character to show in new content browser. Wait. Right click the avatar 01 to show in new content browser at here. Then the Freedom Animation Pipeline, I'm going to just right click, open in a new content browser as well. You can see now I have two folders. Another one is the content browser 2. Alright, now from the Freedom Animation Pipeline, the first what you need is just go to the CC4. Go to the CC4 big, this one. Double click in, and then from here, you should be able to see a big skeleton. So we need to copy this skeleton. Sorry, we need to copy the big IK rig. We need this, the IK rig. Just right click. Right click it. Then click duplicate. It already duplicated at here. Drag and drop into your avatar 01's folder. Move here. So we need this IK rig. We are going to rename this. Right, I've renamed this IK rig. Follow the name of the avatar 01. So I just press F2 and name this avatar 01 underscore IK rig. Now done. Then double click this IK rig. You are going to open it, and then next, the preview skeleton, you just need to change it to become your avatar 01. That's all. Just change it only and click save, close. Alright, next you need to go to the avatar 01 skeleton, double click it, and then from here just show the retargeting option. So from here you need to check the root and CC base hit. The root, change it to become animation scale. The CC base hit also change it to become animation scale. These two is very important. Then click save, then close. This is something that you must make sure. Then next, go into the animation folder. You should be able to see all of this. But next step, what you need to do is just back to the previous folder here, and then go to the UE4 A-Pose mannequin. This is very important. UE4 A-Pose mannequin, go in. Then go into the character, mesh. From here, you need to find an IK retargeter of the CC4. This one. Check the name, UE4 A-Pose to CC4 big IK retargeter. This one. UE4 A-Pose to CC4. UE4 A-Pose to CC4 big. Just check the big. BAKED, big. This one. We need this. Just right click and duplicate. Once you duplicate it, just drag and drop into your avatar 01 folder. Drag and drop into here. Move it here. So now the IK retargeter is already here. Click and you need to rename this. Just click and press F2. And then UE4 A-Pose to avatar 01. I just press delete. Avatar 01 underscore IK retargeter, and I just press F2 again. Make sure the number 2 is just deleted. Now check the name, just name this properly. UE4 A-Pose to avatar 01 IK retargeter. Done. Once you've done this, just double click to open. Just click no. Just click no again. It is going to open. And then from here, we need to change this. The default target IK rig